He's been to Italy. He's been to Amsterdam. He's been to Miami. I mean, this guy, he's been to Napa. This guy travels and he is so good. He never has an accident in the hotel. The potty training on him was like, I followed Anahata's rules to a T, where you reward them by having that face-to-face eye contact for 5 minutes after they have a successful like pee or poop outside. And it was like less than a week that he was potty trained. So he's perfect. He never has an accident in the house. He tells us when he has to go to the bathroom. He just makes me so happy.